Careful, buddy. Oh, you got it. That's a fair trade, huh?
Aha! What do we have here? You little sneak. You saw the whole thing, didn't you? Thanks for the tip, Detective.
Oh! Is that?
He just did the dinner whistle.
No way.
You're kidding me.
Now everybody's gonna come running. Guess we don't need the dinner bell anymore? There you go. Give it to the puppy. Oh, that was a big lick.
Ooh. Get it, Mango. He's copying you, buddy. Whoa! Big move! You two are a show.